So if you just open your Cash App and saw this message show up, then it means your account has been banned or that your account has been closed. And why you won't understand why this is happening to you, there's a reason for them banning your account, but thankfully you've landed on the right video. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to unlock or unban your Cash App account in no time. So let's aim this tutorial. So before we even head to trying to see how you can figure this out, how you can manage this issue, the first thing that you want to do is to understand why, to figure out why this is actually happening to you. Okay, so even though this is a current issue that is going on Cash App with many accounts getting banned in the recent years or in the recent months, you facing this doesn't mean that it is because the next person or the other user is actually facing this. Okay, so usually the main reason why Cash App will close your account is because you've gone against their terms of service. Okay, Cash App terms of service highlight many points, including their services that you are not in any way allowed to violate. And talking of these services, I just mean the core features of Cash App, such as the feature that allows you to send money from your Cash App account to another Cash App account. Okay, so if in the case you try to send money to another user and annotated it for paying for a service, or you're just looking to pay for a service that someone else has rendered to you or for a good, then there's a great chance that this activity or this transaction might be highlighted as Cash App, highlighted as violating Cash App terms of service. Okay, so it is not just any transaction that will get flagged for this, and even what you expect that is not going to go against Cash App terms of service is actually going to go against it if you don't take a pretty attention. So whether you are using the paycheck feature or the Cash App card, or even using Cash App money, Cash App P2P sending feature, there's a great chance you've had to go against these terms of service. Okay, so sit and try to understand why this actually happened to you. And in other cases, it is not just about using Cash App's core features, but also due to the way you've identified yourself on Cash App. Okay, so if trying to verify your Cash App account, you provided fake details or random details, there's a great chance that this Cash App account is going to get banned. Okay, so this one is just a normal procedure. If they see that the thing you are providing, the information you're providing is not genuine, then you probably get your account banned. All right, so after figuring out why your Cash App account was banned, the next thing that you want to do is to withdraw money from your Cash App account. Yes, fortunately, Cash App allows you to withdraw funds from your account and even sell the stocks of Bitcoin that you have in your account. If you have some stocks of Bitcoin, you just sell it and then you withdraw the funds from your account. Okay, this is a crucial step you need to take, because in case your Cash App account, in case your appeal to Cash App doesn't work, you won't be able to use Cash App anymore, and you won't want to have your funds blocked over there. All right, so to withdraw funds from your Cash App account, just go to the money tab and cash out the funds to your selected payment method or to your linked payment method, and you should expect the funds to arrive between 1 to 3 business days. And you can also wait during this period, after this period, to start this process of unbanning your Cash App account, or just start right away after you've requested the withdrawal. All right, so to unban your Cash App account, you have just one option on your sleeve. All right, the only option you have is to contact Cash App support and explain this issue to them. All right, you can start a chat in the Cash App app, or you can just call them at their toll-free number. Okay, so to call them at the toll-free number, just copy this number in your dialer and then you dial the number and reach out to them. Okay, try to explain why you believe this issue is happening to you, identify the issue that you've done. In case you don't understand why this is happening to you, or in case you can't identify the issue on your own, you can just simply tell them that you believe this is a mistake. All right, since they are using AI detection tools to determine whether accounts should be blocked, banned, or even permanently deleted. So in case you don't know why it's happening to you, just tell them that you believe this is a mistake, and if they see that it isn't actually a mistake on their end, they will tell you why your account was banned and probably what you can do, or if there's nothing to do, they will tell you as well. And this method is the most straightforward way to get Cash App's attention, because if you contact them through the mobile app, they will take weeks if not months to respond to your request, okay, because they receive hundreds if not thousands of requests daily from their users. So just call their support number and tell them, explain to them why you think your account is banned, or if you don't know, tell them you don't understand why it's banned, that you believe it's a mistake, and solicit their reconsideration for your account. Okay, if your account looks clean and has nothing suspicious in, or the recent activities you've carried out on Cash App aren't suspicious, then they will hopefully unblock or unban your Cash App account. On the other hand, if calling them is much of a hassle to you, you can still start a chat, because this way you expressively express yourself. Okay, you openly express yourself in a message, in a written form, and expect them to also give you a response after having time to analyze your request. Okay, so starting a chat also is a great way to get their attention, or to get concrete explanation of why your Cash App account was banned. So to contact Cash App support, just click on your account profile if you still can, and then you scroll until you see support, and then explain to them why your account was banned. Okay, so in case you are unable to access this feature or these settings on your account, you only have the option to call Cash App through the toll-free number, which is why I gave a detailed explanation over that section, because I know not everyone will be able to access their profile anymore. Don't forget, you need to give a concrete explanation of the issue, telling them what you can do in case they release your account. Okay, tell them how you're ready to follow their terms of services accordingly and on the line, to make sure that they align with everything you do with the app. Okay, and hopefully they'll get back to you with a favorable response. Okay, why many users have not been successful with this, but a good number of them have also been successful with getting their accounts unbanned on Cash App. In case you were not successful with getting your account unbanned, I would suggest you open a new Cash App account. Thankfully, I've made a video showing you how to properly open a Cash App account in a way that it won't get banned. Okay, you can check that from the video description or from the video appearing at the top left corner of your screen. So we've come to the end of our video. If you actually found it helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and tap the notification bell down below to not miss any upcoming content from us. Okay, so I'll catch you in the next episode.